Hello and welcome to the Crawley Community Awards 2020. Now it has been a very different year this year. As you can see, we're filming in a different space at the Horth. It's empty, it's just us, but that does not change the fact that we do have winners and that your name could be in one of these envelopes. So without further ado, let's get started. The next award is for Volunteer Group, and the winner is Upon Butterfly Wings. Upon Butterfly Wings was founded in 2011 and since then has donated thousands of knitted, crocheted and sewn burial clothing, blankets, cribs and teddies to hospitals and bereavement services. Run from founder Lucy's flat in Crawley, the volunteers make time in their own busy lives to support bereaved families in this way. She and her volunteers try their best to help make a desperately sad situation a little less painful. Some have personal experience of the trauma of losing a baby or a newborn. These clothes often form an immensely important part of the memory boxes family keep to remember their little lost ones. Upon Butterfly Wings, congratulations.